Collective HR's analytics report is designed to improve workforce performance. It enables HR professionals to make better decisions to recruit, manage, and retain employees. This report is structured to be much more like an application experience as opposed to your standard report, so all of the navigation will happen through buttons. To begin, we'll take a look at the summary. The summary displays how many open positions there are, number of employees, and turnover rate, and how that's broken out by country and gender. The summary also includes charts to show how many people have joined and left, broken out by country and by age group, how much salary is being paid by employment type, and the leaves ratio by department, as well as the total leaves and leaves acquired. This page can also be viewed in a dark theme. Next, we'll move to the Performance tab. Performance has the same dark theme availability, and it displays 3 different years, broken out by performance. The user is able to see how many employees and how many leavers there have been over the course of the year, as well as monthly performance, and what discipline new hires fit into. The user is able to select different countries in order to see different slices. Next is the employee card. On this page, individual employees are able to be searched for, and we're able to see their personal details, their role within the company, when they joined, level, salary, and star rating. This dashboard is going to be most useful for somebody who manages an HR department and needs the ability to look at performance in HR and to look at different employees individually and how they compare to the rest of their team. This is a brief overview of Collective's HR Analytics dashboard. Please contact us for more details at gocollective.com.